13.8 billion years ago. That was the beginning of the universe. Universe was started from a hot, small, and dense object. And then it was transformed into a massive and wonderful universe, with countless of galaxies, stars, and planet with its beautiful content. It was always been stunning. If we see at our universe today, it looks massive, supermassive, and then, knowing that it all was started from the very small object in the universe, was breathtaking. Like, how was it possible? Is this truly the beginning of colossal and beautiful universe? And is this the true origin of our universe? Big Bang is the name for the theory of the origin of universe, although it is called Big Bang, but actually it doesn't go bang like what people thought. But it was expanding. The Big Bang was a sudden release of huge amount of energy due to the high pressure and hot temperature. Big Bang is unlike the normal explosion like what we seen on Earth. Big Bang has no central point of expansion, or, in this case, called explosion. Also, there was no sound of the Big Bang because the air wasn't exist yet. If you saw a grenade explosion on Earth, you will be able to tell where it is the explosion started or the central point of explosion, and you can hear the sound of it, but it doesn't happen to Big Bang. Instead, the Big Bang was happen everywhere because the space itself do not exist yet. So the Big Bang was literally the start of everything, even the space. So there was nothing before the Big Bang started. So how do we know our universe was expanding? Like I said before, Big Bang is not the explosion, instead it was an expansion of universe. So how do we know it? In 1929, American astronomer Edwin Hubble have discovered that our universe was expanding. He knew it when he was measuring redshift of the number of distant galaxies. He then realized that the redshift were getting dimmer and dimmer. So he speculated a reason for this is that the universe was probably expanding faster than the speed of light. If this is true, one day those galaxies would not be seen from Earth, because as it moves further away from us, it gets faster and faster because the gravity couldn't hold it back due to the extreme velocity. Unfortunately for us, this speculation is actually true. Distant human generation in future will not be able to see a beautiful night sky because the galaxies were out of reach from us. This is what makes the universe doesn't collapse into singularity, because the universe was expanding. Imagine if our universe was not expanding. As the born of new stars in certain galaxy, it will add the gravity power of its galaxy, and soon, that galaxy will perhaps pulling or being pulled by another galaxy, and force it to merge together, and as it merged the gravity will once again getting stronger. And so on until everything was pulled into a central point, and eventually lead into the singularity again. So the universe must expanding to prevent it from collapsing. So far, this is the most relevant and common known theory of the beginning of the universe. This theory one day might be wrong, and then got replaced as our knowledge about universe will progressively increasing by the time. Since this theory is not 100% ensure us that this is how the universe started. If you have more idea about Big Bang theory, comment down below. Don't be shy to share your thought and opinion. We are also opens ourselves for critics.